Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm starting on the right side door right here. Starting on this. Alright, straighten these because they weren't at Home Depot, so I'm using these. I'm using them. Straighten them. Now I'm trying to get this door put back together. Well, yeah, almost. Had to hammer the thing back straight. Had to get it back straight enough. It'll do. So now I have to cut this little lip off. It's a little too. That's about. It's bigger than a half, so it's about 5/8. Yeah, that's about 5/8. I gotta cut off. I'm gonna cut most of it off. Cut most of it off, guys. I'm gonna do that right now. I'm not even gonna. No need to snap a line on that. I'm just gonna get as close to this as possible. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let's see. I'm gonna have to back this camera back some. Yeah, I don't wanna hit the legs of this tripod. Okay, let's do it. Excuse me. Y'all still with me? Okay. Let's do this. One side seems a little thicker than the other one anyway. Let's see. Let's get this done. Gotta get it. Get the right cut. That's just right already, okay? Alright. God, I had that piece still on there. Right here. I don't want to cut that. So, scrape that a little bit right there. Won't hurt anything. Should be able to knock this right off. Let's see. Yeah. That little piece. Let's see. Let's get it. I don't really need to use this sawzall, but good enough. Let's see how this piece fits. See if it fits right. Oh, I made a big mistake. One out of two. Okay, that's pretty good. Take these screws back out. Don't need them there anymore. That's just to hold your metal piece down while I cut. All right. Put it on. And that's how it's done. That's how it's done. Now, let me screw this in here. Gotta make sure everything is right. Yeah. Not 100%, but guess what? It's about to do. It'll do. Sure will. It'll do. Okay. Okay. Here, trying to be a little stubborn. Let's see. I want to be a little stubborn. You gotta go down, my boy. You gotta go down, my boy. You gotta work for me. Come on. Yeah. Don't be shy. Gotta go down for me, boy. Alright. Gotta go down. Oh, Lord. Gotta go down. Alright, still don't want to go down. I'm just gonna put you in place. Yeah, if you don't want to go down. Be stubborn, guys. Don't want to move. Well, maybe I should leave it alone until I put this corner piece in over here. Yeah, that in. Trying to be stubborn. I got a worser piece I gotta work with. This thing. Look at it. It's all warped up. That's the straight as I could get that. So, gotta work with what you got. Gotta work with what you got. And that's what I got. So let's see. Please, I hope I don't have to cut this piece going straight with that. I hope I won't have to cut that. See that little edge still showing right here. This little, man, I don't hope I don't have to cut that. Oh, tiresome, guys. Fixing this stuff is tiresome, but I gotta fix this trailer because I gotta get my stuff out of that storage. Gotta do it. We're getting it done. Getting it done. Still hasn't fixed this in over here though. I just want to put this door on first, then tackle this. Don't seem that Don't seem that rough to pull out. Should be able to pull it out. I try to pull it out with that. Might not work, so I might have to get to my next result. Tie it to a tree. Yeah, that's my next result. Mark a chain to a tree. I'm gonna hook it, and I'm just gonna pull off. Hook it to a tree, then I'm just gonna pull off, and it should just pull it right back in the position it's supposed to be. So that is the next result. Tie my chain to a tree, hook it, pull. This should ease back. I'm gonna do that a few times, and it should straighten it. Just gotta find the right tree. Just gotta find the right tree. That's all. It'll work. Just gotta find the right tree. So, I think I'm gonna end this video right here and get the rest of this done, and then I'm just gonna make another short video. I hope, make another short video showing the dough is up. Showing the dough is up. Yeah, showing it. Okay, guys, that's the end of this one. Like, comment, or hate. But you can't hate because, hell, I don't have anything to hate. But like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. We're back again in the yard. Peace.